this is how I've been maintaining my frontal on a 10-day cruise. Okay, so at night, I'm about to go to sleep. Let's start with the top. I clip the top to keep it with the volume at the top. I take my flexi rods, I just put it right here so I can have that flip. I run my fingers through the back, bring the back to the front to make sure there's no tangles. Then I've been using all these products. The bed head, I spray that up there. Sometimes I've been using this active Eben lace spray. It's a glue, but it's a spray version. The same thing, but it's actually the glue version. Then I have two different kinds of wig shine. This is the olive oil. And then this wig spray I been had. It gives it shine. For me, it's been a lot of work because I'm used to just like taking my contacts off, washing my makeup off, and going to sleep because I have like crochets or braids or something in. But this has been taking work to maintain, but it's worth it because I've been loving my hair. But anyway, I got alcohol prep wipes to wipe off the front. Got that from Walmart. And I think that's everything that I've been doing, you know. Make sure I have the band on. If it's windy outside, like let's say I'm chilling on a deck or something and it's windy, you know how the ocean is, I'll just put this wrap on and put a bonnet on it. Yep. And it's been working for me. But this is day 4. So we'll see how it looks by day 10. Oh yeah, this is the final step. I put the bonnet on top. Put the bonnet on top so it won't get tangled up, rub it against the sheets. It's been working for me. I didn't see this anywhere on YouTube or TikTok, but I don't know. This is just a little routine I came up with, and it's been working for me.